I'm going to show you exactly how to create and sell one of the most profitable digital products in 2026 using Canva templates, even if you're a complete beginner with zero design experience. In this video, we're focusing on social media templates because they're in high demand and very easy to sell when done correctly. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start with idea generation. Head over to your Canva account and think about what type of social media templates people are actively searching for. For this example, we'll focus on Instagram post templates since they perform really well and are always in demand. Once you decide on Instagram posts, go to the Canva homepage and type Instagram post into the search bar. You'll see tons of ready-made designs. Look for templates that already have image placeholders because those work best for selling. Click Customize this template, then right-click on any image and choose Detach Image. Delete the photo so you're left with a clean frame your buyers can use. If you see images that are not inside frames, simply delete them and add a small instruction like Add image here. This makes your template beginner-friendly. Repeat this process until you have around 20 templates, which makes your product more valuable and easier to sell. Once your templates are ready, click Share, then See All, and choose Template Link. Copy that link since this is what your customers will use. Next, create a new Canva file and paste the link inside it. Add a short instruction like click here to access template, then download it as PDF standard. This PDF is now your digital product. You can upload this file to platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon KDP. Once someone buys it, they click the link and instantly get access to all your Canva templates, If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. Now that you understand the full process, the next step is learning how to price your templates, optimize your listing, and get consistent sales without running ads. Make sure to watch the next video in the series so you can start selling Canva templates with confidence and scale faster. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.